It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Having a garage door that is stuck or broken is one of the more frustrating home repairs you might face as a homeowner. So today I'm checking in with Randy from Easy Open Door Company, and we're actually on site because you're showing me this job where this garage door is not functioning correctly. What's happening here today?
So this door here, the door is reportedly going down and then coming back open. So they get home from work and the door is wide open.
Which nobody wants that, because when you think you leave for the day to go to work and you seal up the home, you want to make sure nobody can get in and steal your things. So having a garage door that closes properly is really important.
Yeah, to keep it secure. And usually, if your door is opening, it's usually, or you're coming home and the door's open, it's usually just a simple adjustment that could be made.
So this is a very common repair that you see, and it can be handled, you told me, with a tune-up to handle those minor fixes.
Typically, just some adjustments on the door and opener that will correct that problem.
Great, so you have a special right now on tune-ups. Why don't you tell me what that is?
Yeah, it's $59, and that includes doing a balance, lube, and safety check on the opener and an inspection on all the parts.
I'm so relieved to hear, I'll tell you, that I can have something that's fixed for such a reasonable price. So many times in this industry is, home improvements can be a predatory industry, and it's really hard for homeowners to know who to trust, which is exactly why we have Approved Home Pros and exactly why we have Easy Open Door Company in our network. We know that you're going to come and do the repairs when they're necessary and only sell people what they need or what they choose to want.
Correct. We're never going to try and sell you something you don't need. So if it's an adjustment, that's what it'll take.
That's great. So this is just one of a couple really common issues that you might face with your garage door. What are some others?
Another typical problem that you'll have is if the door will not open. That is usually because you have a broken spring. So all garage doors have a spring that's above the garage door if it's a torsion spring. And you'll see a gap in that spring, and that basically you need to have somebody come out to repair that. Springs are replaceable. You don't need to replace the door. The springs can be replaced.
Also good to know. It's so good to know that we have options when it comes to garage door repairs. Are there any other really common issues? The garage door stuck down, maybe the garage door stuck open. Is that also a spring problem?
If the door won't open, it's usually because of the springs. If it won't close, it's usually because of an adjustment.
Thanks so much, Randy. Give Easy Open Door Company a call at 619-419-0544 to take care of any of your garage door repair needs.